Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is kind of a cool, interesting offering here. It's early 1900s Rogue Rex Shoes reverse glass advertising sign. It was hung in the Hastings, Michigan store, Ironside Shoe Company. So anyways, back in the early 1800s, you know, it's before you started seeing a lot of tin signs or anything like that. So they spent a lot of money by doing the reverse glass process, which is basically where the artist is doing a rendition on the other side of the glass and basically reverse painting it to give it this rich look. So if you are into Rogue Rex shoes, vintage advertising, or have anything to do with Hastings, Michigan, this is
Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.